Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to improve your AI avatar videos in HeyGen and make them look more professional. First, open your browser and go to the HeyGen website. Sign into your account and open the video project you want to improve. Start by reviewing your AI avatar. Choose an avatar that matches your topic, audience, and overall video style. A suitable presenter can make the content feel more natural and professional. Next, check your script. Use clear and conversational sentences, add proper punctuation, and remove unnecessary words. A well-written script can help improve the avatar's delivery. Now review the AI voice. Choose a voice that matches your content and audience, and adjust any available voice settings to create a more natural speaking style. After that, improve the visual design. Choose a clean background, organize your text, and make sure important information is easy to see. Avoid overcrowding the screen with too many elements. You can also divide longer content into multiple scenes. This helps keep the video organized and gives the presentation a smoother flow. Next, preview the video carefully. Check the avatar movements, pronunciation, voice quality, timing, background, text, and overall appearance. If something looks unnatural or unclear, return to the editor and make the necessary changes. Then preview the video again. Once you're satisfied with the improvements, generate the final video and wait for HeyGen to finish processing it. Finally, watch the completed video from beginning to end and make sure everything looks polished and professional. And that's how you can improve your AI avatar videos in HeyGen and create better quality content for your audience. Hello everyone, welcome back